In this video, we are going to activate the display crosshair. First, go to Window, then Preferences, click on Drawing, and let's just enable the display crosshair option from here. What this option actually does is it enhances your workflow in SketchUp. So while drawing something, you know exactly in which direction or axis you are. So the next thing which I wanted to show you guys is that while drawing something in SketchUp, you can use the arrow keys to stay locked in the red, green, or blue axis. So to stay locked in the red axis, you can use the right arrow key. For the green axis, use the left arrow key. And for the blue axis, you can use the up or down arrow key.